Unique to Mercedes-Benz, our charcoal-infused air filters function to help remove dust, pollutants, and pollen from the air inside the cabin of your car. In order to maintain clean cabin air, the filter will need to periodically be replaced. Signs you may need replacement include weakened airflow when the heating and air conditioning is on, or dust buildup on interior surfaces. But we generally recommend replacement of the cabin filter at every service B. Some Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with both dust and cabin filters. So be sure to check with your service advisor when you bring your car in for service. When it comes to keeping your cabin air clean, trust Mercedes-Benz Cabin Filters.